Oaks Trading App Review 2025. Is it the best crypto exchange? Crypto trading has exploded in recent years, and Oaks is one of the platforms making waves in 2025. But is it really the best crypto exchange for you? Let's explore the features, advantages, and drawbacks. Most people get this wrong by assuming all exchanges offer similar trading experiences. The surprising truth is that Oaks combines spot trading, futures, options, and staking all within a single app, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and advanced traders. With hundreds of cryptocurrencies available, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins, the platform caters to a wide range of trading strategies. The pros include a highly intuitive mobile app, real-time charts, and advanced trading tools like margin trading and automated bots. Security is a priority, with two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelists, and cold wallet storage. Fees are competitive, and Oaks offers bonus programs for new users, making it appealing if you're looking to maximize value. For casual traders, the app's user-friendly interface and educational resources make crypto trading accessible without a steep learning curve. On the downside, some users report occasional glitches during high market volatility, which could impact fast trades. While the app is comprehensive, beginners may feel overwhelmed by the array of options and features. Additionally, customer support can be slow to respond during peak periods. In conclusion, the Oaks app in 2025 is a strong contender for anyone looking to trade cryptocurrency. Its combination of security, advanced trading tools, and broad coin selection makes it suitable for both casual users and professional traders. If you're prepared to learn the platform's features and navigate high volatility markets carefully, Oaks can be an excellent choice for your crypto trading journey.